Not so long ago, Channel 7 ran a story in front of the local Costco. A bunch of people had gone to Costco to fill up on gas only to have their cars die a short way down the road because the gas they thought they bought wasn't gas at all. It was diesel. Our inventor used to drive a fuel tanker. He saw this happen too many times and decided he could do something about it. He invented the Transmix Safe Lock. What you are watching is the device activating when the wrong fuel is attempted to be unloaded. The float is calibrated to float in gas and sink in diesel. When the flaps deploy, they significantly block the flow of fuel, and the driver is made aware that something is wrong. The device can quickly be reset, requires minimal maintenance, and can be easily installed in existing fuel systems. Although a fuel mix-up does not occur that frequently, when it does, it can be an extremely expensive problem. We sell peace of mind.